this amazing area. This area is called Devil's Churn. There's a few other spots to see here, but we just decided to see this area. Look at the power, beautiful waves. Definitely a place to be careful of because of the waves. They do warn you of sneaker waves, which is large waves that are kind of out of the ordinary of the waves that are coming. Could definitely sneak up behind you and come up on shore a little faster than you think. I would definitely suggest a windproof jacket and a raincoat. It has gotten breezy here, and the ocean spray can be quite chilly. So, man, amazing. Here comes my beautiful bride. Say hi.